Alright guys, so what we got here is a BMW 4 Series, and what we've done is it's a 2016 model, and what we've done is we've integrated with the CarPlay module. So it's done on the original screen, so everything stays original. So all you do, you press and hold your back button and it will switch over to the CarPlay system. So as you can see, it's fully wireless as well, so no wires are needed. You use your original controller to navigate the system. You can also switch over to your factory system whenever you want. If you want the CarPlay system integrated on your BMW 4 Series, see the link down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Also, for more future videos, so you can stay up to date. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.